So guys, one of the important things you need to know as a forex trader is that you always need to prepare before the week starts. So guys, in this video, we will be checking the markets and preparing on what to expect in this week. Yeah, make sure you watch till the end and share it to your friends and family in order for them to actually get what you are getting right now. You know, I always give you guys a free signal before it happens in this channel. The least you can do is just click the subscribe button, my guy. But let's get down to it. Check this out, boys. So guys, first and foremost, let's check out what to expect next week the fundamental way. We want to see which news events will be changing the directions, you know. So let's be clear on that first. So guys, as you can see on Monday, okay guys, please make sure you check the US30 news events. Oh, I mean the USA news events. Only the USA news events. And just like I said, on Monday we cool, we're cruising, we just operate nicely, you know what I'm saying? We just operate nicely. And on Tuesday, it's still the same thing. No news event, we're cruising. You know what I'm saying? So I feel like on Monday, we can just enter trades and hold till Tuesday. I don't know if you know what I mean, but then 9 o'clock, here we go, boy. 9 o'clock will be smooth on Monday. I know that for sure. As on Wednesday, we got oil inventories. And as you can see, yeah, I feel like on Wednesday morning, I gotta check out oil and see if oil will be buying or selling. If oil will be buying, that means the market will be selling. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, man. Yeah, I can't wait, man. And guys, as you can see, on that same day on Wednesday, we got FOMC. You know what I'm saying? We go kill. We go kill. We don't play, bro. And then guys, on Thursday, we got job claims, as you can see. So I'm not quite sure what's going on that news event. So I'm going to skip until Friday. On Friday, we got PMI. PMI is very interesting, boys. PMI is very interesting because it can give you a CPI stick. You know what I'm saying? A PPI stick. You know what I'm saying? Okay, PPI, nah, not that much. But CPI stick, because I remember on my beginner days, I used to love PMI, CPI, NFP, you know what I'm saying? But let's just get down to the video and analyze and see what do we have the overall direction, you know what I'm saying? Let's see it, boys. Let's see. I'm so excited. What's going on, guys? So guys, we're gonna be starting on Nasdaq, guys, and on Nasdaq, just draw start in your 4-hour time frame, right? So go to your 4-hour time frame, guys, and just unzoom and see the overall direction. So now, guys, we will be focusing on this right here, guys, this movement right here. As you can see, this movement right here. So just draw a line on your highest point right here. Make sure you draw a line on your lowest point right here. Now, right now, we're actually catering our playground, right? So we need to know where the market is going to be playing inside, you know? So this is what we have over here, and this is what we have over here. Right? Now draw a trend line going like this. Actually, Nasdaq is actually easier to analyze now that it moves like this. You know what I'm saying? Because it's clear as daylight that the market is still going to buy, guys. You know, the market will still be expecting buys on Nasdaq, guys. I don't know if you see what I'm saying right now, but because what I'm saying right now is that the market will be going and touching our purple line right here at the top. Because if ever the market breaks a trend line, right? If ever the market breaks our trend line, it always goes and complete the trend line. It goes where the trend line started. Where did the trend line start? At this top right here. That's why we have a yellow line, right? I mean, that's why we have a purple line. So just draw a line where price touched our trend line. We have a line over here. We have a line over here. And we have a line over here. Now it's clear as daylight. I don't know if you know what I mean, but it's clear as daylight now, bro. If you can go down to the 1-hour time frame, probably you'll realize that the market is actually retesting this low, this point right here, right? This line right here, it's actually retesting that line. So let's just mark it as our resistance and support. And we obviously buy on a support, guys. Since the market is supporting, we obviously buy on a support. We don't sell. But I must still dig deep. Don't worry about it. We go dig deeper. We want to see if this is real or not. But right now, I feel like it's real. Let me show you what I mean. Just draw a trend line from here, going like this, and then just drag it up to look like this. Okay, let me add this touch over here. Right? Yeah, this is what we have. Clearly, the market hasn't touched the top of our trend line. I don't think the market touched the top of our trend line, because if it did, then the market will be showing us selling opportunities. Well, I don't know if the market will be selling, né? Because if it sells, that means it's disrespecting the whole movement. So the realistic direction is a buy. I would say it's a buy, a realistic direction. But there are chances of the market selling. You understand what I'm saying? So please have a good eye on that. There are chances of the market selling. Right now, I see this. That's why I'm saying there are chances of the market selling. So let's just do this so you can see what I mean. Now I see this, guys. I see this, right? Let me just add the touch. Let's say the market touched, right? Let's add the touch. Let's say the market touched. If the market touched there, guys, obviously the market will be going down like this because we have a double top, as you can see. We broken below that double top, came back up to retest the same neckline, and now where are we going? Somewhere down here, right? But me, I say the overall direction is a buy, papa. This is Nasdaq. Nasdaq can be so confusing. It's a buy, papa. I gave it a signal, you know what I'm saying? So this is what I will be doing. I'll be waiting first, but this is what I anticipate. Let me just say, this is what I anticipate. I feel like the market will be buying and actually operating like that, guys. If we are selling, then that means we won't be breaking above this line, this neckline right here. We won't be breaking above it. Let me just show you what I mean. We won't be breaking above this neckline, right? Then that means we are selling. If we are not on top of that line, or on top of this line right here, that means we are selling, right? Remember that if the market opens and it fails to break above this line, we are selling. Just take your sells. We are going to touch the bottom of our trend line. So let's go check out US30, since now we have the direction on Nasdaq. On US30 it's I feel like it's so complicated now. So just draw a line on this high right here. Oh wait, let's start in the 4-hour time frame and see what do we have that actually makes sense. Ooh. Guys, I feel like Nasdaq is gonna sell. Oh, the market is crashing, guys. Draw a line over here, right? Draw a line over here and then draw a line over here, right? So I marked this low because, like, if I draw a line on that low right there, if I draw a trend line, the trend line wouldn't make sense to me. I don't know about you guys, but to me it wouldn't make sense. Then just mark it as your supply and mark this one as your demand, just like this, right? Now just draw a trend line going from here to up. Oh shit, no. Just draw a trend line from here going like this, and then just drag it up like this so it looks like this. And this is actually the 4-hour time frame. I don't know what US30 is doing. Okay, let's just delete this and try it this way. I don't know what I don't know what US30 is doing, guys. I really don't know what US30 is doing, but what's happening right here is very, very scary. I feel like there's gonna be a market crash. So just draw a line where price touched our trend line. We have a line over here. We have a line over here. We have a line over here, right? And this is how it looks. Now go down to your 1-hour time frame to see what do we really have. You know what I'm saying? Now, what am I speaking today? I feel like I'm speaking something else, not English. Just draw this one as your support. Oh yeah. Well. What do we have here? US30 is showing us that the market might be touching the bottom of our trend line. On future reference, I mean the market might be going down here in the future. You understand? I'm not saying from next week the market is going down there, because this is a whole week's movement. This piece right here is the whole week's movement. So right now, let's just focus on this movement right here. So zoom in, guys. Make sure you zoom in. I'm sorry, guys. My camera went out of battery, so I have to continue using a voiceover. But right now, just draw a line on this low right here and just mark this low as your support, right? This is our current lowest point. And now let's see. What do we have here? I feel like the market will be buying, ne? But I want to trap it first, right? I want to trap it first. So like draw a trend line going down like this. So now that we trap it, we have something like this. Let me show you real quick. We have something like this, right? This is what you have right now. This is what we have. We are actually trapping the market. So if ever the market breaks above our trend line, then it's a buy, right? If ever the market breaks below our trend line, then it's a sell. So if ever it breaks above, it will come back down here and actually shoot for more buying opportunities, as you can see, making a touch over there where the trend line started, right? And if it breaks, well, obviously, if it breaks this line, it will come back up and retest it, making it a resistance, and we will obviously be crashing. You understand? And I am not looking forward to that, bro. I am a potential seller in the market, but I am not looking forward in selling opportunities. But right now, what I'm saying is please wait for the market to actually play around. If ever the market is buying, then just you will see by the market breaking above that line over there. If the market is selling, you will see by, yeah, you will see it's breaking below this line over here, guys. But right now I see a double bottom. By the way, this to me is actually a double bottom, because the market is not perfect, but we will just let the market slide. You know what I'm saying? I see many things, but I don't want to force things on US30. I just don't want to force things. So let's go on to gold and see what do we really have on gold. Because, yeah, man, there's nothing else to check on US30. So, guys, go on your gold and let's just where's gold? Yeah, go to gold. Okay, guys. And then go to your 4 hour time frame. Go to your 4 hour time frame. Gold is very easy to analyze, but right now, hey, wait. Hey, gold. Okay, let's just draw, guys. Draw your highest point. Start with your highest point, right? But right now, hey, guys, gold. Hey, just start with your highest point and draw a line over here. Now draw a line over here, right? And this is your supply, just like this. And this is your demand here at the bottom, just like this. Hey, guys, I feel like gold is selling. Let's just confirm it. We might be anticipating market crash. Draw a line from here, adding that touch. You can clearly see that the market has a touch at the top of our trend line, and we clearly don't have a touch at the bottom of our trend line. So, hey, guys, gold, hey, the fun. Gold might be going somewhere, but like maybe the news event will help us. Now draw a line where price touched our trend line, right? So you can clearly see, guys, bro, like you can clearly see that gold is going down. Yeah, so, but then we have a touch over here. We have a touch over here. And we obviously have a touch over here, guys, because you can clearly see that the market actually touched Damn, bro, it actually touched that resistance, confirming that we might be going down, bro. You understand what I'm saying? So just mark this one as your current resistance. Let me just draw my current resistance just like this. Hey, boys, this is scary. We might be having market crash. We might be having market crash, bro. Let me just go down to like, because right now what I see is like if the market chooses to buy, it will break below. I mean, it will break above and actually give us more buying opportunities like this. But right now, what's clear, what's realistic and clear to me is that the market is going to touch the bottom of our trend line. So, yeah, man, we might be having market crash. We might be having market crash. I don't know about that, guys. Let me just check something on US30. And like on US30, we still have something, guys. We have something for similar, you know what I'm saying? But the difference is on US30, we are in an uptrend. And then on Nasdaq, we are in a downtrending momentum. Same as gold, we are in a downtrending momentum. I don't know if you know what I mean. My big trend line is looking down, right? And on gold, my big trend line is looking down. Then on US30, my big trend line is looking up. You understand what I'm saying? But then let's just go down to our 1 hour time frame and see what do we have in our 1 hour time frame. But I know for a fact, Guti, even if we draw, I don't know how many lines, we can clearly see that the market is buying, guys. If you can just draw a trend line and drag it down like this, we still have a touch at the top of our trend line. And obviously, we have to have a touch at the bottom of our trend line. So I'll be anticipating sales on gold, guys. Sorry about that. I'll be anticipating sales on gold. I don't know about you guys, but hey, ngiyafosta ukubona some buying momentum, but I don't, boys. So yeah, man. Let's zoom in. Hey, let's zoom in. Let's zoom in. Because gold is quite interesting now. I don't want to lie, bro. Gold is very interesting. So let's just draw a line over here. Just draw a line over here. Wait, right here. Yeah, right here. We're still in a support. We are supporting, right? I mean, we are resisting. Sorry about that. We are resisting, guys. We are fucking resisting. Oh my god. So I'm gonna take my selling opportunities, guys. I'll just wait for gold to break above. If like the market is deciding to buy, the market will just buy and break above this line, this purple line, and then we are buying obviously after that breakout. But then, realistically speaking, even our analysis is showing us that the market is crashing, boy. So gold might, what is this? Oil might be selling. You understand? I mean, yeah, oil might be buying. Yeah, on Wednesday. Is it Wednesday? On Wednesday, oil might be buying, and gold might be selling. But right now, all I'm going to say is just wait for the market to play out because we trapped everything. If the market breaks above on all of them, US30, Nasdaq, and gold, if the market breaks above, well, feel free to take your buying opportunities. And that's basically it, guys. That's what I see on gold, Nasdaq, and US30. So one thing you should do is just let the market be. And then when it's time for you to trade, just check if the market is on a support or a resistance, right? And then you will decide from there where are you going. And on Wednesday, it's oil, wara, I forgot. But I will be checking oil. I feel like oil will play a good role of deciding where gold is going. You know what I'm saying? Then guys, if this video is very helpful for you, please share it to your friends and family and to see them being helped just like you do. But then make sure you click the subscribe button and comment on what you don't understand so I can break it down in words. And that's basically it. Make sure you click the link in my description to join my sniper team. You know what I'm saying? My sniper community. Till we meet again, boys. It's your boy, it's your mentor, Curtis the Snipe, signing out.